Where the bumbo clock to get a tank from, brother? No, man. What? Look here. Where you get a tank from, dog? Yo, wagwan. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S coming in with another reaction. And today, guys, we're back with Tion. Wow. Take off my glasses. I'm gonna break down that one. Tion, big up yourself, my G. You know you're hot. Hotter than summer in Egypt right now, right? You know you're hotter than summer in Egypt after the big bad song with your Russ Million plus the remix, right? Alright. So I'm gonna break down that one to see what is this one about. I have no doubt it's gonna be fiery like a volcano. No doubt. So let's go. Our name, wow. Alright, we are breakdown, so we are pause every 10 seconds. Let's go.
Yo.
Theme style is Bad style. We like that style.
Wow, man down. You ain't
What the? What is going on with the green? The green watercolors. Alright, I'm sure I'll find out. Let's go.
man down. You ain't really bad, pipe down. I don't give a fuck right now. Why everybody judge like Simon Cowell?
I don't give a fuck right now. Why everybody judge like Simon Cowell? You know Simon Cowell are the founder of X Factor all across the world. So big up Simon. You must say, yo, why everybody judge like Simon Cowell? He's a judge on X Factor. For those who don't know, he must be living under a rock. Tion flow is just different. Tion flow is just noticeable. You can even Stevie Wonder can see him flow. Even Stevie Wonder can see Tion flow. Body fuck.
All up on my IG, undercover. But you don't like me, suck your mother. If a nigga try me, won't recover. If you don't like me,
my type of shit. Hey, don't pull up on my IG undercover, pussy. If you not like me, suck out your mother with a straw, brother. Use a long straw. It's called long touch. Suck your mother with a straw. One long straw. Suck your mother with it. Don't pull up on my IG and acting ghost. Move your bumbo clot from yourself.
Give a fuck right now. Why everybody judge like Simon Cowell? All up on my IG, undercover. But you don't like me, suck your mother.
You know what I wanted that? Suck your mother. Suck your blood clot mother. With a straw. Yeah. Don't like me, suck your mother.
If a nigga try me, won't recover. If you don't like me, pretty in a real life and a gram. Where you get that ass from? God damn.
She pretty in a real life and on the gram. Where you get the ass from? God damn. Like she pretty. Like obviously she pretty. Natural beauty too. Natural.
I don't want a Rari, but I can. Free on my army.
What I'm saying? Him don't want a Rari, but him can.
Where you get that ass from? God damn. I don't want a Rari, but I can. Free on
I don't want a Rari. I don't want a Ferrari, but I can get one because I have the money. Remember, I'm done till I say I got more than $1 million in savings. But you still get shaving. Remember, I'm done till that already now. So
my army, no dark hole, got the strap for them. Skirt the whip like Sebastian. They don't wanna see me, no shank on them. Man, a bad man, I wrote.
Man, a bad man, I wrote. I like that style of dog. Is it? What is Tion's background? Like, in family from? Like, which? What is his origin? Where him come from?
Man, I roll EMD when we inject me, no BCG. Told bro that I got into the END. Never snitch, man, my rubber do EPP.
You have to can spell, you have to can understand why I say fake, get why I say so. So I see if you can understand some of it.
To me, no BCG, told
BCG. Bomber, clot, goal. Bro,
that I got into the END. Never snitch, man,
got to the END, I've got to the end. I have him to the end. Have it back to the end, my friend.
Brother do EPP.
EPP. Man, no.
Bust that case, didn't need a peeling. Took out the witness like Tommy Egan.
Wait no man, sorry now, wait no man. Stop! Brother, me don't tell you some I break down already, so I go pause every 10 seconds. If it's not your thing, stop arguing with me, brother. Jump off of the channel, dog. Jump off of the channel, bro. What you argue for? Don't argue, bro. Me I break down, fam. Shit.
I'm gonna do EPP. Bust that case, didn't need a peeling. Took out the witness like Tommy Egan.
Take out the witness like Tommy Egan. But before him, I think said bust that kid till it need a wheeling. Bust it to the 12 gauge shotgun, of course, but take out the witness like Tommy Egan, you know, power. Tommy Egan, big up Tommy.
One of my dogs and I'm turning demon. It ain't even to somebody sleeping. You liar, and you still struggle with the O. Retire, acting like you always on smoke, the fire.
You still struggle with the O, brother. Retire. Retire, dog. Not that.
And you can't defend your block. Maguire, out here shotting on the roads, but I spend your stack on shopping. Made a meal, but I still cut him.
What the bomb clock them get?
Maguire, out here shotting on the roads, but I spend your stack on shopping. Made a meal, but I still cut him.
Where the bomb clock to get a tank from, brother? Nah, man. What? Look here. Where you get a tank from, dog? Where you get a tank from? Nah, man, this serious. Brother, where the fuck wanna get tank from, dog? Where wanna get tank from? Me bomb clot. Me never see something like this in our music video in the UK. Brother, where wanna get tank from? Somebody please leave in the comment section where the fuck them get a tank from, dog. Because I'm curious, brother. Wanna get tank? Wanna get tank?
Maguire, out here shotting on the roads, but I spend your stack on shopping. Made a meal, but I still cut him. Boom. They say 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 ain't on nothing.
It's not a fake tank, it's a real motherfucking tank. It's a real tank. Me blood clot.
So why they see me and they running? Wow, man down. You ain't really bad, pipe down. I don't give a fuck right now. What?
Let me tell you this. That video is stunt. Like, I just be a stunt to go another video. From the Lamborghini truck, to the Rari, to the Superbike them, to the Bumbleclot tank. I never think me that said this in my life. Me see a tank in a Tion music video. A tank. And it's not in the war zone. It's in the middle of the fucking street. How you work that out? Make it make sense. Make it make sense.
Everybody judge like Simon Cowell. All up on my IG, undercover. But you don't like me.
Suck your mother. Sorry, I don't mean to pass it there, sir. But suck your mother if you don't like me.
A nigga try me, won't recover. If you don't like me, Every time I have a dream, it's bloody. But all of them moves fed mummy.
Every time I have a dream, it's bloody. But
if you don't like me, Every time I have a dream, it's bloody. But all of them moves fed mummy.
All of them moves fed mummy. Me not get that one. Leave it in the comment section for me, please.
Take the weed, left the money, left the wall, back the shorty.
Ha! Shutters again. Second rap of my ear. Refer the movie in a them things. So obviously the man them in tune with Shutters. Take the wa and left the wa. You sound like a pussy wall. Give me the money. Beat man, slap him in the chest. I heard this in the Charlie Slot commercial thing when they were there with gigs them and Digga D them.
She hit the gun in the trousers. Wasn't eating for 24 hours.
Wait.
Money, left the wall, back the shorty. She hit the gun in the trousers. Wasn't eating for 24 hours.
She hit the gun in her trousers. Oh, I thought it means something else. I thought, alright, leave the part there. No one with the part, left the part there.
I dropped out that beautiful girl, cause she plays both sides like Angela Valdez. Cross country, when it's so up with a pumpy. Lucky, Dylan got away from the undie. Young
Dylan got away from the undercover. Want some water, man? Me just about me see me from the tank incident.
G shooting up north like Henry. We don't even wanna care about all the fuckery.
Shooting up north like Henry. Henry was at Arsenal, right? Alright. Striker, right? Alright.
On site, man, slap him. I ain't in our online chatting. The whole of the night confused with SJ. Cause we didn't even know who's chatting. Wow.
Next thing again, people. Which part of the bridge in the video? Which part of the bridge are there? Leave it in the comment section.
Man down. You ain't really bad. Pipe down. I don't give a.
That bridge here. Which part it there? Which part of the bridge are there?
Fuck right now. Why everybody judge like Simon Cowell? All up on my IG, undercover. But you don't like me. Suck your mother. If a nigga try me, won't recover.
me still, me like the fact that everybody in them green balaclava see me, dog. Me like that.
You don't like me, man, I never ever lie in the rap. Man, I really put a 9 on a man, man, I hold a N9, got my back. We bros, even if I white or we're black.
Me never ever lie in my rap. Me never ever lie in my rap. So, remember the man say from them time, they say, him have more than $1 million savings. Him don't say, he don't lie in my rap. So, do the maths. Do the fucking maths, dog. Him say something else after that, I don't want to pick up on too.
Man, I really put a 9 on a man, man, I hold a N9, got my back. We bros, even if I white or we're black.
We are brother. No matter if we're white or we're black, we are still brother. Want to show me the love and the respect and the loyalty, I will show it back to you. That we become more than friends. We are brother. We have the connection there, dog. We have each other back to the E and D. Yeah.
Get slapped. Pretty gal, big bum, get wet. Chatting to my pagans, get lean out the Lambo, then
I wonder how he made that song here. I wonder how he vibe to that song here and put the verse together. Because if you remember in the Russ Millions song with him and Russ Millions, there was a voice note of him vibing to the I wonder if, well, I suppose are the same way, because most rappers, that's how they make them song. Them grab a vibe to the beat first. So I'm just trying to figure out how that would sound in this case for this song.
wow, man down. You ain't really bad, pipe down. I don't give a fuck right now. Why everybody judge like Simon Cowell?
This is the next hit, cause remember say Tion win hot, you know. Remember say he's teaming right now. Remember say him hot, you know. So this is the next hit.
Pull up on my IG undercover, but you don't like me, suck your mother. If a nigga try me, won't recover. If you don't like me,
I remember in my first reaction to this song with him and Russ, remember say I did say that song is gonna go to #1, and that song is a hit, and it did got #1. I did say that. I'm a predict it. This song got #1 too. Remember me telling you that. Yo, him is a champion in our community. He's a champion. People really love him. You can see it. The love. Boss box. What, a pizza? A pizza might this up, boss box? No. I will man him the pan, dog. Kaka the M25 the man him the pan, brother. Man, I'm all up traffic, dog. Cause these cars are like normal people carry them about in business. These are normal civilians, brother. Grind, don't stop. Alright. Make up yourself, Grind, don't stop records. Russ is getting love, brother. Russ, I'm sorry, not Russ. Tion Wayne time now. He's getting. There's a few artists that's on top right now, and he's one of them. Make up yourself, Tion. Video bad, on a stunt, but we still can't get over the tank. Where you get the tank from? That more know. Someone leave in the comment section where the fuck Tion Wayne and him team get that tank here from, dog. I'm going to change the name from Tion Wayne to Tank and Wayne. Tank and Wayne. Big up yourself. Blood clot Tank and Wayne. Big up your blood clot. I'm going to end this video right now because I'm tired of that tank thing now. I can't take it no more. Big up yourself.